In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage RTL and bidirectional text, Arabic, Hebrew, in PowerPoint. If you create slides in Arabic or Hebrew, or you need to mix those languages with English, getting the direction and alignment right is essential. I'll walk you through the exact settings and the controls you'll use on your slides so your text reads correctly and looks professional. Start by opening PowerPoint. Head to File, then Options, and choose Language. In the Language window, look for Office Display and Editing Languages. Add your right-to-left language, such as Arabic or Hebrew, and make sure it's enabled as an editing language. This tells PowerPoint to load the right tools, including RTL text direction controls and proper proofing. If PowerPoint asks you to restart to apply the change, go ahead and close and reopen it. That restart is what activates the new language features across your interface. Now click into the text box where you'll type or highlight existing text you want to fix. Go to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, you'll see a right-to-left text direction button. Click it to switch the flow of the selected text so it reads from right to left and aligns appropriately to the right edge. This doesn't just flip alignment, it also affects how punctuation, bullets, and numbering behave, so paragraphs format naturally for Arabic or Hebrew. If you're setting up a new text box for RTL content, apply this before you start typing to avoid having to reformat later. When you're working with more than one language in the same slide, use the right-to-left paragraph and left-to-right paragraph buttons in that same paragraph group. Highlight a paragraph or even just a line, then choose RTL for Arabic or Hebrew sections and LTR for English sections. You can mix directions within a single text box, and PowerPoint will keep each segment flowing the right way. For clearer results, use a font that fully supports Arabic or Hebrew characters, and avoid adding extra spaces to push text around. Let the direction buttons handle layout. If numerals or punctuation look out of place, adjust the paragraph direction on that specific line and retype the punctuation after switching. That's it. By enabling your RTL language, restarting if prompted, selecting your text, and using the text direction and paragraph buttons, you can confidently build slides that honor both Arabic or Hebrew and English on the same canvas.